Well, hello again. I've just picked up some parts. So I purchased these, and it looks like I'm going to be quite busy making some more saws out of them. So we've got some late model 010s, some early model 010s. So the orange ones are the early model ones. We've got an 012, old Stihls. What's that? 180. All sorts of parts here. Bar covers and carburetors. Looks like I'm going to be busy for a while building stuff. So that's, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. It's that new carburetor by the looks of that. I've got a bar there, that'll be for one of them. And then I've already got these parts here. So I think I might be able to build something. Yeah, 012. So I think I'm going to be, I'm going to be here for a while just building stuff. It's going to be quite a lot of fun. So yeah, it looks like there's going to be quite a lot of building time coming up. I don't even know if they go. Yeah, it's still got compression to it. It might be okay to try to get it running. It's 010. Okay. Yeah, a lot of side covers. And that's good because I was looking for side covers. The early Stihl 009. Okay, so that would go there. Looks like that might go onto that one. Oh well, that's good. That hasn't got an exhaust on it, but we've got an exhaust here. We haven't got the orange side cover for that or that one. We have got side covers for that. Don't know if that one goes. 012, so that's the same as what I've got over here. The 012. Alright, it's alright. We got here. So you got plenty of side covers there. A few bar covers. Yeah, some good bar covers there. Carburetors, I could always use carburetors. And I've got my Stihl 026 parts here as well. It might be okay as well. It might be parts I can build. I've got crankshafts and It's an 025 that I'm building up. Needs a good clean. Somebody hasn't looked after it. It still had really good compression, and the bore is not scratched up, which is a wonder because I would have imagined it would have got hot. But yeah, really needs a good clean. So that's my 026 parts, and I've got crankshafts and bits there for it. That's the 025 I'm going to be building up, and I've got a few of the 010s and that to build, the 009s to build. The wee 180, it looks like it needs a handle, tank handle. Still got the carburetor on it, and I don't know if that turns over or not. We'll give it a go, hey? Yep, it still turns over, so looks like I'll be getting a tank handle for that, and have a look over it and see what else it needs. Looks like I'm going to need to get a parts washer too, or a steam cleaner. Wouldn't mind getting a steam cleaner, but that's pretty much why I'm getting my water blaster going. So that one looks like it might be quite an easy build, hopefully. I'll be checking spark plugs out and compressions on them. That one there, yeah, that's seized. Although that still looks okay, but yeah, I can't turn it over by hand. What about this one? Yeah, that turns over. Yeah, it's got muffler on it. I know that one in this box turns over. Yeah, I can turn that over. That one, yeah, no cylinder on it. The cylinder's here somewhere. Yeah, there's the cylinder down there. So there's the muffler for it. The bearings for it are there. Yeah, so there you go. I've got a few builds coming up. If you guys are interested in watching me build a saw, I suppose once you build one, you know what they're all about. Yeah, so just a bit of a look-see. So a few builds. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.